Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to freeze your Capital One credit card. Alright, if you're wondering how to do that, this video is for you. It's going to be a step-by-step guide. We're not going to waste any more time. Let's get straight into it. So the first step is to log into your Capital One account. Now you can do that on the website, or you can do that on the mobile app on your mobile device. Now once you're logged into your account, that's step 2. You just want to click on the freeze card button, and that's going to help you to access the freeze card portal. Next, you're going to confirm that you want to freeze your credit card, and now you're going to need to provide a reason for freezing your credit card. It could be, suspected fraud, or probably you've lost your credit card, or it was stolen or whatnot. This is optional, but it'll be best to do that. So yeah, once you report the reason and submit that, so Capital One is going to process that and sort it out for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to freeze your Capital One credit card. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.